Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman, and today I'm going to share with you some electrical tips that really everyone should know, whether you're a renter or a homeowner, so that you can decide if, hey, this is easy, I can fix it myself, or I need to get on a phone call to an electrician. Let's check them out. One of the most common service calls an electrician will get is failure of a circuit in a bathroom or a kitchen, and that's where a GFCI is found. Code says that these need to be within 6 feet of any water supply. And what most people don't know is that anything beyond the GFCI is affected by the GFCI. So you might think that an outlet down the line is not working, so you might think you have to go down to the panel. First, check if there's a GFCI nearby and see if it needs to be reset. All you have to do is press the button, and you might save yourself a phone call. Another common problem is opening up an outlet or a light switch and finding a rat's nest of wires. This is especially true in old homes where multiple people may have been working on the electrical system. The most important thing is to not make any assumptions. White is not always neutral, black is not always hot, and in order to make sense of everything, it's always great to have a non-contact voltage tester. All you have to do is touch the wire and the light will tell you if it's hot. Vampires really do exist, and I'm not talking about the ones you see at Halloween. I'm talking about the appliances in your home with a standby mode. Anything with a remote has standby mode in order to wake up quickly. So these things are constantly drawing power. So unplug them from the wall so they're not sucking dollars out of your wallet when they're not in use. Same goes for laptop chargers and phone chargers. When they're not in use, unplug them from the wall. If you're in an older home that has 2 slotted receptacles, you may be tempted to swap them out with 3 slotted outlets. But you can't do that unless it is properly grounded. If it's not grounded, you're going to have to run a new wire in order to make it up to code. They make a simple device that you can plug into the outlet and it'll tell you if it's properly grounded. While you're switching to the 3 slotted outlets, go ahead and get a tamper-resistant version. These are code now and required in all homes. One of the most important things an electrician will tell you is to never ignore the warning signs, whether that's an outlet that has a popping noise, a light switch that feels hot, or a breaker that won't reset. If you have a breaker that will trip constantly, never hold it down with tape or your finger. That's a signal that you should call an electrician. I hope these tips have helped, and for more great tips on home improvement and repair, head to familyhandyman.com.